And I want to focus too, symmetry is a very important idea of geometry. Okay, we're going to use it a lot as we move forward with quadrilaterals and identifying angles too. So we need to be able to look at a shape or a object and say, yes, that is symmetrical or not. So does anybody, before we talk about what it is, does anybody remember anything from second grade, third grade about what symmetry means? Can anybody share, or do they know anything, any ideas about what symmetry means? Maybe something you didn't get to last year because of virtual learning and the way the circumstances were. Derek, do you remember anything about symmetry? Your hand was kind of up. You look like you were like, maybe.
It's paper folding.
Folding is something to do with it, yeah. So symmetry is the ability to fold or divide a shape or design directly in half, where both sides of the fold or divide are exactly the same, right? So if you look at those examples at the bottom of my screen, you can see that square, the star, triangle, and arrow. If you fold them exactly in half, they would be the exact same on both sides. So if, for example, though, like I tried to cut the star or fold the star right here, you're not going to see a line of symmetry, right? Because it's not the same on the top and bottom. I'm going to stop sharing for a second so my picture is a little bit bigger on your screen. And if you look at this, we did this with the centipede designs, right? You guys remember doing these centipedes like right around Halloween? We made our little like centipede things. If you fold this guy directly in half in the middle, he's got a line of symmetry. It's the same, exact same on both sides, right? So this is half of him. And when you unfold him, there's the whole guy. So that is a line of symmetry right down the middle, where he's the exact same on both sides. It has to look the exact same, like section for section. If it's not the exact same, it's not symmetrical. All right. So we're going to do a little activity. I'm going to show you a design, and I want you to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Is it symmetrical or not? All right. So I'm going to number them, and then I'm going to ask you to say thumbs up, thumbs down. I should see everybody in this class, this virtual classroom, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Number one, thumbs up if it's symmetrical, if there's a line of symmetry. Thumbs down if there's not. So most of you guys, I see one. I'm missing a couple people. I need to see thumbs up or thumbs down. Is that a symmetrical or not? Very good. I could fold it this way, and it's the same on both sides. I could fold it this way. I could fold it this way, or I could fold it this way. 4 different ways to make that symmetrical shape. Number two, so number one is yes. Number two, this X, symmetrical or not, thumbs up or thumbs down? I'm seeing some mixed reviews. So I'm going to make a line, and then I want to see if it changes your mind. Is that the same on both sides if I fold it?
Yes.
Yeah, it is, right? I could fold it that way. I could also fold it right here, and it would be the same on the top and bottom. I could also fold it right down this long part in the middle, or right down this long part in the middle, and it's the same on both sides. So yes, the answer is yes for number two. Number three, yes or no? Does it have a line of symmetry? Yes or no for number three?
No.
Hey, just give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. You don't need to say it out loud because I want other people to get a chance to think, okay? Very good. There's not one. If I split it in half like this, you got the weird design on the top. If you go down the middle like this part over here is different than everything else. So number three is no. Number four, the triangle. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Waiting on several people to say thumbs up or thumbs down still. Very good, most of you. Thumbs up, right down the middle. If I folded that in half, it would cross over. Number five, the circle. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah, there's a ton for circles. I could go like this. I could go like this. Uh-oh. I could go like that. 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 I can go like that. There's a bunch for circles. So circles, in fact, there's 360 degrees, so you could do it 360 different ways. A tricky one, sorry, number 5 is yes. Number 6, yes or no? So here's the thing about 6. It looks like it. If I cut that in half, it looks like it. But if I fold this corner straight down, is it going to go on top of this corner down here? No. And if I fold this corner straight down, is it going to land exactly on top of this corner right here? No, right? So even though it looks almost the exact same, parallelograms are one of the tricky ones. The other thing I could do is if I fold it this way across the middle, or sorry, that's the same way I just did, sorry. If I fold it this way down the middle, technically if I fold it over, this corner is going to go all the way over here. And this corner isn't going to make it all the way to this one because of the way it's shaped. So number 6 is a tricky no. It's got a lot of things that make it look like it's symmetrical, but it's not quite a symmetrical shape. So number 6 is no. Number 7, thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes or no? Number 7. Also kind of a tricky one. I have a lot of people who are still not participating, and I say, everybody give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. So if you do it like this, it's going to be no, obviously, right? What if I fold it like this? Then is it the same on the top and bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, so number
Yes.
6. Yeah, number 7 is yes. And number 8, Corbin, put the recorder away. That has nothing to do with math. And it's not symmetrical. Number 8, actually it probably is. Number 8, thumbs up or thumbs down? Good, thumbs down. If I split it this way, you got the arrow over here. There's no arrow over here, right? And if I go this way, not the same, right? So number 8 is no. All right, before I send you off to practice some of these on your own, I am going to play a quick video that's got a few reminders for you.
Mirror symmetry. I can fold this rectangle along this line and the halves match exactly. That means this rectangle has mirror symmetry. This line is a line of symmetry. I can also fold this rectangle along this line as well. This rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. I made a symmetric design using the power polygons. The left side is the mirror image of the right side. I made another symmetric design using the power polygons. The left side is a mirror image of the right side. In this design, the top part is also a mirror image of the bottom part. This shape has 2 lines of symmetry. These shapes have mirror symmetry.
Right? And the reason we call it mirror symmetry is if you've ever looked in a mirror, it's the exact same image looking back on the other side. So if you look at that line and you put a mirror there, it would be the exact same on the other side. So your jobs today, you're going to have 2, all right? Show me on your fingers how many jobs you have today during math. 2, all right? The first thing, Derek, you're going to do is Tuesday math, you're going to go to symmetrical or not, and it is a discussion. It says, look at the capital H below. Do you think the letter H has lines of symmetry? Explain why you think it is or is not symmetrical. So you're going to say yes or no. Is that H symmetrical, and how do you know? All right. When that's done, you have a mirror symmetry assignment where you are going to create a mirror image. So one where if you draw a line, it's the same on both sides. There is a video that walks you through how to do it. All right, where I walk you through and I teach you.
So I'm going to start by
Please
drawing
watch
like a
it
little
because
arch.
it's step by step.
All right, and then I'm going to do.
I do not want to see that you have the same exact mirror image that I do, though, right? I want you to do your own, but watch. The video is only about 2 minutes, 3 minutes long. Okay, it is. I'll tell you the exact amount: 2 minutes and 57 seconds. So not even 3 minutes, but it talks you through what to do step by step. Okay, those are your two jobs. Do the discussion first, then do the mirror symmetry assignment. Please stay in the room and keep your cameras on. We are here if you need help, but I want you to try to do those on your own, all right? If you need help, unmute, let us know. Happy to help you understand directions or what you need to be doing, okay?